Not deep, unpacking the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the English phrase, not deep. This is a common expression, and by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it in your daily conversations. Let's dive right in. Deep generally refers to something that goes far down from the top or surface. Think about a swimming pool. If one end is shallow and the other is deep, the deep end is where the water is at its greatest depth. So, when we say something is not deep, we are quite literally saying that it doesn't go far down or isn't profound in depth. In the English language, deep doesn't just pertain to physical depth. It's often used to describe something that's profound, serious, or intense. For instance, a deep thought is a profound or serious reflection. Thus, when we say something is not deep, it could mean 1. It's not serious or intense. Don't worry about the argument. It was not deep. 2. It's not hard to understand or superficial. The movie's plot was not deep. It was easy to follow. 3. It lacks emotional depth or significance. Our conversation was casual and not deep. Understanding the context in which not deep is used can greatly help in grasping its meaning. Let's look at some examples. 1. Physical depth. The pool is not deep here. It's safe for kids. 2. Lack of seriousness. The topic they discussed was not deep. They were just making small talk. 3. Ease of understanding. The book is quite straightforward and not deep. Even beginners can understand it. 4. Emotional significance. I know them, but our relationship is not deep. We're just acquaintances. Now, whenever you hear or come across the phrase, not deep, you'll know exactly what it means. Whether it's about a pool's depth or the seriousness of a discussion. English is full of such phrases, and every little bit you learn helps in mastering the language. Hope this video was helpful. Stay curious and keep learning.